Ang paniniwala ko dyan talaga, nagkaroon ng ano yan, ng plano, no? Ewan ko, plano ng Diyos siguro. Ganito. Hindi kami natuloy sa lakad dahil nagkaroon ng argument ng dalawang supervisors. Umuwi na lang ako after that, work day. Pag-uwi ko, nakita ko siya.
Ay, teka muna. Nakita niya ako, pero nakita ko siya, natakot ako.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay.
Ang inisip ko, hindi ko siya liligawan agad. Pero alamin ko kung saan sila nakatira. Inihatid ko siya sa pumayag naman. Inihatid ko sa boarding house niya, pumayag naman.
Eh, kunwari nga kasi, sabi mo, ipapakilala ko yung mga ka-tourmate ko.
Oo, sabi ko,
yung technique.
Nalilibang kaming nag-uusap, pag nakalimutan na namin yung papakilala niya sa mga ka-tourmate niya. So, di nung bandang uli, niyaya ko na siyang sa sunduin sa eskwela, ganun ng ganun. Hanggang sa naging girlfriend ko na.
Ang pagtingin kay
di ngayon, nung girlfriend ko na siya, nagplano na lang kami kasi tertiary college pa lang siya.
Before we went abroad, we planned to get married. Ayan, it was our first marriage. Nagkaroon kami ng civil marriage before we went abroad.
Para hindi siya kumawala. Kaya...
On December 30, 1983, I made a vow in good faith. I took you to be my wedded wife, to heaven to hold, to take care in sickness and in health, to always love and to cherish till death do us part.
But I get lost alone. When I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. And when I'm with you, I swear I can breathe. And when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be. I'm not trying to be dramatic, no.
Life has always been good to us. That now I offer this occasion of thanksgiving to our Lord God and to renew the same vow I pronounced 30 years ago. I vow to continue my life with you, dearest wife, in good faith in everything I do for you, to be happy always till forever.
When I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. And when I'm with you, I swear I can breathe. And when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be. Who I wanna be.
Rick, I love you deeply and completely. You are my very best friend in the whole world. As your wife, I promise always to support you, especially when you are troubled and need a friend. I will continue to respect your opinion, even though mine may differ. I promise never to lie to you about anything and to be faithful to you always. I will treat you fairly and lovingly.
When I'm